ये स्लू bearing है. This is a slew ring bearing. You can see this. This is a badly damaged. This is a not damaged. This is a badly damaged. Look, this is a become. This is a become ketchup, like a ketchup. Look, this is a not a metal, like a this is a tomato. This is a ketchup. Look, this is badly damaged. And this all teeth become like a knife. Look, this is a knife. No teeth. There is no teeth. Like it become knife. This is a knife. Look, it become like badly damaged teeth.
Это принеси, лопатку это почистили.
There is no teeth. There is no teeth. Already gone.